National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, southern Franklin County, Ripley County, Dearborn County, northwestern Switzerland County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Scottsburg to 8 miles southwest of Greensburg, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Batesville, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Bright, Hidden Valley, Versailles, Milan, Osgood, Dillsboro, Moores Hill, Guilford, Wilmington, Logan, Pleasant, Manchester, Sunman, Hartford, St. Leon, and Halton. This includes the following interstates: I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 171. I-74 in Ohio near mile marker 0.